Once you have added supplier products to your DecoNetwork account, you can begin configuring the blank product markup percentage. Now that percentage can be either a fixed amount across all items, or you can do a tiered markup, which will allow you to mark up more expensive items a lower percentage. So for example, I could mark up any product that costs less than $5 50%. If it's $5 to $10, we could do 45%. Over $10, I could do 40%. Now the supplier product markup can also be influenced by different contract price levels. So if we come down here into contract price levels, this is where I define my different levels, essentially the names for each level. Then I can control this price based on the decoration process table that is used with that price level and or the supplier product markup. So again, I could do a tiered markup here, and then I could come to a different contract price level and then do a totally different markup amount. So maybe on contract, I only mark it up 30% for under $5 and $5 to dollars and up is 20%. And then level 3 affiliate, maybe we only mark it up 20%. So just gives you an idea of how you can influence the price of the product, but keep in mind this is only for suppliers already within DecoNetwork. If you import products or create a product from scratch, you must manually apply that markup within the price of the item. You cannot add a supplier product markup to any item that you manually make. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.